Welcome back, MIFI subscribers. So 3 days ago, I came out with a video where I was showing that I cleaned up this melon patch, and I found a little tiny watermelon on the plant. And that was literally 3 days ago. And check it out. We've already got pretty good sized melons growing. So they grow so quick, guys. And this has already sprawled out from like right around there, way out to here. Just so much bigger. And even this one now has a little baby watermelon on it. They just grow so fast. Once they get started, once they really kind of start taking off, they explode in growth. So today I've got these two because I want to make sure that these are sitting on a good surface and not going to get all, bugs on it and stuff. So we're just going to scoot this underneath and make sure that that's growing right on there. We'll do the same thing here. Now, look at this. I've got a secondary little watermelon next to that, so that's pretty amazing. Let's see if we can lift these up. It's kind of hard one-handed here. And there we go. So those are going to grow on something a little more solid, so that way they don't get bugs crawling up and eating through the skin. I mean, it doesn't happen very often, but we did have a melon have that happen a little bit ago. So I'm starting to notice quite a few. In fact, now that I came here, there's another little one right there. So we're getting quite a bit. Excuse my rooster. Every time I start videoing, he starts crowing. So I think he wants to be part of the action. There's another one. That's 1, 2, 3 on this plant here. Maybe more if there's some in there. Yeah, 4. And then, let's see, do we got more? There's quite a few. That's pretty cool. And then this one has 3. We might have more. 4. There's a little baby one starting. We'll see if this one gets pollinated, but there's 5. And then 6, there's one over there. Let's see, I'm sure we got some over here too. 7. Boy. Now, I don't think all these are gonna really do anything. Some of them might not really kind of take off. It depends on how much energy this can put into its production, because there's only so much energy in one plant that it can put towards growing fruit. And so this means that, we might get a couple. Now, this is a smaller variety, so the melons don't get super big. They're not like one of those really big ones. They get maybe 5 pounds, maybe 8 pounds, and so they're not really big. This one though, this variety, gets about double that. This will get about 15 pounds. So that's a pretty decent size watermelon. So this one might produce a couple more. This one will produce less, but these will be bigger watermelons. And yeah, so I'm pretty excited about that. It's doing really well. So of course I'll bring you guys back in the next couple weeks. We can take a look at how fast this is growing. I honestly think that probably 3 to 4 weeks we might get to be able to harvest one of these. They grow really quick, especially the smaller variety. And we'll see how this one does. This will take a little bit longer. So, well, there we go. Thanks guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please stay tuned. I'll bring you guys back, like I said, and we can see how this is doing. If you guys like this kind of content, please subscribe and hit that bell notification for future video updates. Also, if you could hit the like button, it would really help me and the channel out. I will see you on the next video. Now you guys try to escape the daily grind.